Mr. Ruben, what is a temporary protective order, and does your firm handle those, and can you represent me? A temporary protective order is what people file when, and again, protective orders in Maryland are similar to what we call restraining orders. When you hear terms like that in other states or on TV, to restrain, to keep somebody away from you. In Maryland, we call them protective orders if they're for family members or those related by blood or marriage, or peace orders, typically if they're neighbors or coworkers or something like that. What is a temporary protective order? If there's been an act of abuse against you, if somebody assaulted you, if somebody threatened to assault you, and it is during the work week, meaning Monday through Friday from 9 to 5, and the courthouse is open, you go to the courthouse and you apply for a temporary protective order. You tell the judge what happened, and based on what you tell the judge, if the facts, assuming they're true, are explained to a judge is going to pass a temporary protective order. In Maryland, temporary protective orders are valid for 7 days. They'll say, okay, you have this protection, but just for 7 days. You'll come back a week later, and that's when you'll have your final protective order hearing. Do we represent people at temporary protective order hearings? Sometimes, but not usually. You generally don't need a lawyer, and you probably should not have a lawyer. If you're in a situation where you've been abused, you go to the court, you get the relief, you get the protection, and then when you have your final protective order hearing 1 week later, that's where you should have an attorney represent you, whether you're the one filing it or you're the one that has been filed against, especially when there's children involved. But even if there's not, you should have an attorney if you have the financial means to do so at the final protective order. If you don't have the financial means to do so, you still should contact an attorney, get a free consultation, and take care of it. We're here to help if you need us.